Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's see if we can figure it out together. Can you look on the board and tell me which shape we drew yesterday? That will help us figure out which shape we should put in the pattern for today. And it will help us figure out what today is. What do you think? Did you guess blue rhombus? Good guessing. So yesterday was the blue rhombus and it was Sunday, February 14th, 2021. So if this was yesterday, we're going to move one square over and that will be today. So we're going to put our pattern, we're going to continue our pattern and put our shape in here. Do you know what shape we should put in? What's your best guess? Good guessing. Let's go back to the beginning and do our pattern together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? We'll go back to the beginning. Ready? Red heart, blue rhombus, 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 red heart. Did you guess a red heart? Good job. So you can practice with me on your paper or on your calendar or in the air. You can draw the heart with me, okay? So we'll start here and we're going to go up with a bump and come down on an angle to the bottom and then go back up on an angle and do another bump in so that they're connected. And then we can color that in. And if you don't want to do hearts, you can do any shape you would like. Some people like to cross out the day once they're done with it. Whatever helps you keep track on your calendar is what is good for you. You can do whatever works for you. So today, if this was yesterday, which was Sunday, that means that today is Monday. Monday. Do you remember how many days of the week there are? Let's count and see if you're correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. And today is Monday. So let's put that into our sentence. Our sentence always begins with today is. And today is always capitalized because we always capitalize the first word in our sentence. So today is Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. So we'll put a capital M because it's the name of our day. So M, you can practice on your paper or on your calendar or in the air, or you can just say the letters with me and learn. M-O-N-D-A-Y. And then we put a comma, and that comma tells us to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is going to be the month. That's right. So let's start by counting how many months there are. Do you remember? How many months are there in the year? Let's see if you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job practicing with me. Let's see if we can remember all of the names. Even if you don't remember, just try to say them along with me. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So we are in the second month of the year. So it starts with January and the second month is February. So we put it at the top of our calendar and it begins with an F. F like fun. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. February. So we're going to put that into our sentence. Are you ready? Today is Monday, February. Practice with me. A capital F because it's the name of our month. E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And next we're going to put in the number. What do you think the number is today? Yesterday was 14. What comes after 14? I hear some really good guesses. How about if we go back to the beginning and we'll count through the days and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you guess 15? Good job. Practice with me on your paper or calendar, or you can do it in the air. We start with a 1, start at the top and strike it down. And then we're going to make a 5. So we start here and make just half of a line and then an almost circle. Make a curve like this. 5 and then top it off. So a 1 and a 5 beside each other make 15. And when we put it into the calendar, we say 15th. Can you say the end? 15th. Next, we're going to put it into our sentence. Today is Monday, comma, so just pause, February 15th. A 1 and a 5, and then another comma before we say the next word. And the next word is the year, and it is 2021, or you can say 2021, kind of like there's two numbers beside each other. 2021. So that is a 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. And that period tells us to stop our sentence. We're not going to say anything else after that. Will you say all of it together with me? Today is Monday, February 15th, 2021. Good job. I'm so glad that you tried those along with me. Did you go outside and see what the weather is like today before we started? What is the weather like where you are? Is it partly cloudy and partly sunny? A little bit of sunshine, but there's some clouds that kind of move around. That's not our weather here. What about rainy? Is it raining for you? There's no rain for us. What about sunny? It's sunny here, so I'm going to hang on to that card. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy for you? No sunshine at all, just a gloomy kind of day. What about snowing? Maybe you have some clouds and there's some snowflakes falling down from the sky. There's no snowing for us today. We are just having a nice sunny day. It's still really, really cold though, but at least the sun is shining. So will you help me find it on our weather chart and put in our tally marks? So if we go to the weather chart, our first row is a sun. So we're going to put a tally mark over here, but there already is some. Do you know how many tally marks are already there? What is this one? When we have 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a slash through them, do you remember? What does that make? A 5. Good job. So we have 5 plus 1 is 6. And now I'm going to put in one more tally mark. Are you going to try with me? You can do it in the air, or you can do it on your own paper with your own weather chart. Start up at the top and strike it down. Good job. So we had 6 and we added one more. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sunny days. Good job counting with me. Next, we're going to do my agenda. Do you have your agenda handy? I wrote my name on mine, Celyne. That's my name. And then I put an apostrophe S at the end so that everybody knows this is my book. When you put an apostrophe S on the end like that, then people know that this is Celyne's. So when you say your name and you say Celyne's at the end, then that means it belongs to you. So let's flip this open. And I wasn't here yesterday, but my friend Valentino was here. Did you have fun with Valentino? Let's see. Saturday I said I was going to bake cupcakes, and I did. They were delicious, and I shared them with friends. And yesterday was Valentine's Day, so I put a big heart on my agenda so that I would remember that I was going to spend the day with my friends and family and all the people I care about. And we did some crafts, and then we sat down together and had supper all together. So I did that. I'm going to turn the page and we'll do today. Today is Monday. It starts with a capital M, and you can practice on your paper, or you can just do it in the air with me, or just say your letters if you don't know all of them yet. M O N D A Y, comma, February, capital F E B R U A R Y. And I've run out of room, so I'm going to come down and go over to the beginning. 15th, comma, 2021, 2021. And I'm going to practice making my letters all the way up to 15 so that I'm practicing numbers every day, so I'll get really good at them. Ready? You can do it on your paper, or you can say them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. And so it's sunny, so I need a yellow crayon. Color my sunshine here so that I remember what the weather is like. And today I have lots of cleaning to do. So I'm going to start with doing the laundry. Do you like to help doing the laundry? It can be fun. So I'm going to draw myself a purple washing machine, the circle in the middle here, and some buttons. And maybe I've got my purple shirt in there and some black leggings, some blue jeans, and maybe some orange socks. It can be fun to do the laundry. You can practice folding and sorting all the colors. And then I'm going to put my name on the bottom here because I want to practice printing my name every day so I get really good at it. You always start your name with a capital, so capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. So practice printing your name every day so you get really good at it. And if you don't know all of your letters or how to spell the words yet, you can just start by printing letters. And we have been working on a B. I'm out of paper. Let me just flip this over here for today. Let's do an R today. Have you made an R before? Let's start at the top, and we're gonna you can do this with your hands in the air, or you can do it on your paper. Make one line all the way down. Then go back up to the top and make a bump. Whoop, and then make a line down. That's an R, a big R or an uppercase R. Let's do it one more time. Start up at the top and strike it down. Then make a bump. Whoop, I made that really round. I didn't follow my other line. And then make a line down. There. And then when we make a small r or a lowercase r, we make it half the size of the big R. So I'm just going to put some dotted lines here so that you can imagine where a line would be. And we'll say that this is our line to print on. And we're going to make a line here from the middle down to the bottom. And then we're just going to come almost to the top, but a little bit down and make an R like this. Are you ready? Try it again. Start up at the top and strike it down. Then make an arch a little bit down and go all the way around. Good job. If you practice making a different letter every day, you'll get really good at it. And soon you'll be able to make all the letters in the alphabet and print all kinds of words and letters. So yesterday I was very excited. I was excited on Saturday. I was excited on Sunday, especially because it was Valentine's Day. I got to visit with people and tell people how much I love them and give them Valentine's Day cards and share my baking. It was a great day. So excited? Do you think I'm still excited? I could be excited. Are you excited today? What about happy? Just happy? You're just okay. You're just enjoying the day, content with everything. Nothing is super exciting and nothing is going sad or angry. What about angry? Are you angry today? Did something happen to make you upset or disgruntled or miserable or grouchy? Any of those things happen to you today? All of those kinds of emotions are okay. You can even talk to somebody about it, like a sibling or an adult or a friend. What about nervous? Are you nervous today? Are you trying something new? Or do you have to go do something that you're not very fond of doing? It's okay to be nervous or apprehensive, where you kind of want to do it, but you're nervous of how it will turn out. What about sad? I don't think I'm feeling very sad today. Are you sad today? I think out of all the feeling faces, I'm just happy. I had a really good weekend, and today I'm just going to go about and do all of my chores and get my housework done and do all my laundry. So for my being kind activity today is I am going to call my mom and see how she's doing today and let her know how much I care about her, kind of like we did yesterday. And if you can find something kind to do today, that would be wonderful. You can call somebody, or maybe go outside and visit with a neighbor, or maybe give your adult a hug. Any of those things is a very nice, kind thing to do, and it will make them so happy. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.